Hey everyone, Mark here. Welcome to my lesson corner. This is our first lesson. We're doing short lessons on drums and piano, and these lessons are just basically some things that I'm working on. I've been working on through my musical career, still working on now, and things that I can share with you. The first lesson I'd like to do will be, I think it's more of a useful lesson, is how to find your primary and secondary chords in any scale that you're in. I've done this a long time ago with my teachers, and I always like to go through it, as to keep it fresh in my mind. So you know that in any scale you have your primary and secondary chords. Let's take the set scale of C major, okay? And let's take the chords within the scale. So the first chord is a primary chord, which is C major. So major chord. Okay, the next primary chord is chord number 4, which is F major. And the next chord is G, which of course is your dominant chord. And then that resolves back onto C again. So 1, 4, 5 are your primary chords. Chords 2, 3, 6, 7 in the key are what you call your secondary chords. These are all minor chords except for chord number 7, which is a diminished chord. So let's actually find those chords there. D minor. Chord number 3 is E minor. 6 is A minor. 7 is diminished. Okay, so chords 1, 4 and 5 are your primary chords. Chords 2, 3, 6, 7 are your secondary chords. Let's play the scale. We're going to move up the scale using the chords, block chords, to find our primary and secondary chords. Here we go. Primary, C major. Secondary, D minor. E minor. Secondary. Primary chord is chord number 4, F. G is your 5th chord. A, secondary, A minor, 6th chord, secondary chord. Your 7th chord is diminished, which is B, back to C. Now, if we apply this to any scale, this pattern actually applies to all scales. Let's do another one in the key of G. Okay, so G major. Nope, start here. Secondary chord E minor, G minor, G, this is major, minor, minor. Minor is affected because we have the F sharp in the key of G major. Okay. So whatever key you're in determines your pattern. It's exactly the same. Okay. So I'll play that for you again. Major, primary chord, minor, secondary chord. Your third, of course, is a secondary chord. That's B minor, because it's exactly the same principle as finding a key in C. The F sharp determines that. G, A, B, C is your 4th chord, your primary chord. D is your dominant chord, that's your 5th. E minor is your 6th chord, and your 7th chord is F diminished, F sharp diminished, F sharp diminished, and then back to G. So just to recap, your 3 primary chords are 1, 4, 5. Your secondary chords are 2, 3, 6, and 7. And a good idea is to go through all your scales, practice them, try and find the chords, all your primary and secondary chords in every scale, and practice it like that. I hope you found this video very informative. I'll try to keep it short and sharp. Please click on the subscribe button on my YouTube channel just down here. Leave any comments, and we'll see you on the next video. Take care.